Hello and welcome. This is D3 developer Joel Dietz again, and I am going to be introducing to you to the JQuery UI library I built that is a part of my formation package. As you can see, and a few clients have told to me that they've had trouble with some of the standard Visualforce components. First of all, there's no live client-side validation. You have to click the save button, and there's a delay before you get any messages back, and that can be troublesome, especially when you're not using standard input fields for things. And also, you just have limited customizability. This, in fact, was not the default to have these here until very recently. Thank goodness. But some people didn't like the multi-select and lookup. I don't know how you feel about this, but I have never really liked the lookup all that much. Look, it's not even working now at all, so another reason not to be super excited about that. So what I did is, basically provided a set of components you can add very easily, and they provide live validation. So if I do something like this, it'll tell me it's not a valid name because it doesn't have upper and lowercase letters. Obviously letters will not be accepted for currency values. Get a pretty nice little date picker here that's part of the standard JQuery package. These will do pretty much what you'd expect. Pick list is a little, sexier than your standard pick list. I tend to like this format for doing multi-selects a little better than the standard one that comes with Salesforce. And then for lookups, I've always kind of preferred sort of autocomplete as opposed to the way that things are done currently. And then I also added in a sort of expandable option on the text area for kicks. And you can see the save button is automatically styled, and we can also pretty easily switch the theme here. So if I decide I like a different theme, now everything's going to be styled according to that theme instead of the defaults. So now the way you can use this is pretty simple. These are just components that all you have to do is include the page controller reference, which will, just this, and then the name of the field, and you don't even have to actually include this object, but you can if you want to. So the other ones do. And then if it's, have text, checkbox, date picker, but if you want, you can just do validate as, and then it will, automatically make sure that it matches. So, whatever that is. See, you do need to include the form as the style class, a style sheet, and this little line which will throw in all the JavaScript that you need, including hot links to the Google and Microsoft CDNs where stuff is stored. And this little action function tag. And as you can see here, each of these is a component, has its own controller. All of this source is available on Google Code, so you can branch or make additional modifications as you see fit. But there's test coverage for all of it, and it all seems to be working pretty well. The only thing I haven't included is date time element, because it didn't seem like that was too necessary at this point. So go ahead, give it a try. Tomorrow I'll be launching the full version of this, which includes automatic form generation, which includes all the client side validation. So that's all, and thank you.